Hello, Idol fans. Today it's Speedball Haro, and today we're going to a live concert. Of course, kidding. Today we are doing the unboxing of the Gundam Base exclusive Master Grade Gundam Seed Zaku Warrior Live Concert. And yes, I'm talking about the very Zaku that is a pain in the butt to get. But no, but all seriousness though, I got this recently from one of my from the Gundam Expo 2021 from the US Premium Bandai. So I'm very glad I got this because trust me, I can tell you right now, this was not easy to get. I say that because if you were at the expo, well, you probably know what I'm trying to say. But if not, I'll simply say this. Uh, well, because of slow servers and other such matters, pretty much it was like a Black Friday rush deal, and pretty much I had to, no joke, refresh and go back onto the very purchase link for this about 50 times or more. I'm not kidding. I had to literally do it that many times to just get one of these in my cart. It was that a, very much that much of a pain in the butt. But I'm very glad I was able to get one because sadly, well, as I was saying, sadly, a number of people could not get them because, as I've learned from expo events, there's always going to be one or two kits that are going to be a sought after must have, and you're looking at one of those right here. So yes, enough of me talking, and let's just get this thing open. And if you are curious to know, this isn't actually a very big box for a master grade. I mean, this is more of a white box, I guess you'd say in this case. But here, let's take a quick look at everything around the box so you can see it. As you can see, it shows all the positions for the Zaku with all the details. Of course, the water slide, where to put it, and of course the miniature mirror Lacus Klein figure you do get with this. And of course, we throw it around to the front, same again. And then of course on this side, information about Gundam Base itself and such like that. And then once again to this side, reading everything. Okay, let's take this off. And as you can see, this is everything you get. Now, of course, the one odd fact, or I guess a bit of a bummer fact, I call it in this case, not the kit itself, don't get me wrong, is that being that this was an exclusive Gundam Base kit, I'm a little surprised, Gundam Base didn't decide to do not just the, live concert Zaku, but to actually give the live concert Zaku one of each Zaku Warrior backpack that is now available, since we do have all the varying backpacks through P Bandai and retail. So yeah, I'm just a little surprised, this kid didn't get that advantage, but it's not a big deal. Just a little surprise. But let's take a look now. Okay, this is runner E. Oh, B, my bad. Really nice. Ooh, I gotta love that machine gun's details. That looks really nice. Let's see. This is hosing for later. And keep in mind one detail, my friends. This is going to be my very first Zaku Warrior Master Grade I've ever built. So yeah, this is going to be an experience for me. I've never built any of the other ones because I do have a couple, but I haven't gotten to them yet. But this one I had to get to first. I had to build this one as soon as I came in. I've been wanting this kit for a while, so yeah. And of course, this is runner H1, meaning there's going to be an H2 possibly. You got the side skirts, front and back skirts, grenade, it looks like. Oh, and here are the pilots. Wow, there's actually two. I didn't know this actually would have two. You, of course, get mirror, and of course, a pilot figure, which, if you've seen the anime, this is exactly how the setup was. You had mirror dancing on the hands, and you had an actual pilot inside. So, pretty cool. It's really nice to have a ZAF soldier. Okay. Let's see, what's next? We got C. This is, a good percentage of hands. And of course, this would be the waist section. It's got the interchangeable hands. That's the master grade seed line is known for. That's good. Let's see. Ooh, this is where you can see where the color difference is between this Zaku and all the other ones. That is a bright pink. I mean, here, I'll even turn down the lights so that way I can give you guys a better perspective a little so it's not too bright showing on the camera here. So there we go. You got the thrusters for the front skirts, back vernier. Let's see, these are mostly the thigh sections minus the head, which is right here, which doesn't come with a commander horn though, sadly. Oh well. A clear part down here. Let's see. Yeah, that's about it for this one. Let's see. Oh, yeah, here's that duplicate one I was mentioning, H2, which is just the skirt armor. This honestly, before I move on, this honestly reminds me a lot of the HG ones because of how that clip section is. That does, it just so reminds me of it. Let's see. And of course, you got a duplicate of D, which is most likely fur, from what I'm seeing. The legs. Yep, these would be for the framing of the leg parts. Interesting. So it's identical both ways. Let's see. This is runner F2, and this is of course of arms and armor section for the feet. It looks like. No, wait. Let me see. Okay, yeah, okay, I was right. You got arm parts here, and then you got leg sections over here and such. Okay. Let's see what's next. We got E2, which is, of course, as you can easily tell, is a foot. That's a big foot. Okay, let's see. These are the hosing parts for, I believe... actually, I gotta think on this one. Oh, this would have to be... Oh, for the legs. That's I couldn't remember for a second there. And this is, of course, the K runner. And this one's a bit different than the other runners. And I say it because of how this plastic feels. It's a lot thicker right here. And you think it almost looks like rubber, honestly. It honestly looks a lot like rubber. So I don't know if that means if they're movable. I don't know. Interesting to check out. This is probably the only non-pink or black runners in this whole kit. And it's more like but it's not white either, of course. It's more of a, well, not peach. It's definitely a light pink. It's definitely light. And it's really, but yeah, it's really nice looking. Of course, it's really nice. Let's see what's next. Let's go with this one first. Okay, here we go. We got more the other sections to the feet that you're going to need. Ooh, the Zaku's axe weapon. Ooh, multiple gun. Oh, yeah. More refills right here. You got 3 of them, so of course, that's a big ball joint right there. And of course, you got the chest right here. And let's see. And of course, this will be for the shield later. And let's see. Lastly, we have the other section for the legs and arms. Shoulder armor difference, of course, because remember, the Zaku Warriors don't have same shoulder armors. One's square and one's rounded, like a goof, in a sense. And of course, the big shield section. And I'll get back to this in 1 second. And I say that because, so you can see real quick, here are the water slides, which look really nice. You got Lacus Klein Alive, which I've seen a lot of people make cool stickers of and such like that. Love for the chest, though it's hard to see the love because of how clear it is. You gotta love the Haro, red Haro. You got, and her heart, and all the other symbols. Gotta love them. And lastly, the part of this kit, I will not lie to you guys. I'm going to say this now. I don't like. I despise it in a sense. Not all of it, but a good percentage of it. And I'm saying this for not this sticker, not the eye sticker, for this sticker, for these right here. I say this with with a burning passion because uh, this is the one thing that I don't understand why Bandai decided not to do. And it would have been so much easier. Literally, if they cut out this half right here, this is all this kid would have needed. And all they would have had to have done to eliminate this is to have simply, as you can see here, since this section is all separate parts that you put on here, all they would have done is cut out this section right here, and all they would have done is cut this section off the runner. Remember, this is the standard runner for all the Warrior line. Just cut that out and literally just remolded in a yellow plastic and done. That's it. That's all they would have to have done. But no, we have to get these. And I say this with a passion like this because when the kit was announced and such, everyone was stoked because, of course, this is the one Zaku all fans enjoy from the Seed series. It's a sought after kit because it's always been popular since it was in the show, and it's only had so many releases. I mean, it's had maybe about, I believe, three other releases. It had the original HG, which I do actually have, but I've put it away. I have, well, not have, sorry. The 1/100 scale, I believe there is of, and I believe there was a special edition version of it in a metallic version. But that one is like long gone. It's like an Expo one from that long ago. But this one, of course, when this was announced after, of course, all the other Zaku's and such Master Grades were, released, a lot of fans were stoked for this. They loved the fact that we were getting this version. A little bummed that it was a Gundam base exclusive, meaning it was going to be a little more challenging to get than P Bandai ones. But the part of this kit that most fans are not thrilled about is these stickers right here for these three spikes. That I say this because when that was revealed and people saw how that looked, let's see if I can give you a pic. Oh yeah, here we go. This will do. As you can see right there, this is how it's going to look, all detailed. And as you can see right there, that's where the stickers go. Which, as I said, the big one I had, it's no problem. It's normal. But the spike stickers, as you can see, if I can get this to focus on it, hopefully, as you can hopefully see, they do not look good. I say this because you can see the seam lines, you can see where the stickers are being bent and turned all the way around, and you can just see where the sticker has been bent around and all that, and a lot of fans did not like that. It just does not look good. It looks just really bad, as simply put it. It's just not good. So yeah, I wish they could have done it that way. I don't know why they didn't. Would have probably saved a little bit of sticker, time, but it happened. And if you're wondering, lastly, of course, is the manual. And well, as you can see, yeah, we somehow got the Luna Maria custom in here as well. I'm kidding, of course. But yes, as you can see, we do just get just a complete straight copy of the Luna Maria manual. So cool. Same stuff, though. Unfortunately, we don't get the backpack, though. Unfortunately, which honestly, like I said, I think that was a bit of a waste. I mean, they could have given us all the backpacks in this one kit to make it a really big exclusive kit, but didn't happen. But other than that, yeah, this is gonna be an interesting kit to build. It's been a while since I've done a Zaku like this. Actually, I think it's been a while since I've done a Zaku. However, but yeah, that's pretty much it for today. So I thank you all, and I should hopefully get this done soon enough. And who knows, maybe we'll see more Zaku's down the road hopefully not, maybe Gundam based ones, but hopefully we'll see more Zaku Warriors hit the line soon enough. So yeah, I thank you. I of course hope you enjoy your hobbies, and that's it. And of course, and I hope you're all I hope you all are fans of Lacus and all of the music that this mobile suit and character brought. So I thank you all for coming.